Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Project Motor Racing game not launching, crashing, lagging or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from the home screen first. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. Open settings, then choose device and connections. Now click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next method is to check internet connection. Open Xbox menu, select settings, then choose network settings. Now test network connections. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Project Motor Racing update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for an update option and after updating, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to clear cache of Project Motor Racing game. For that, press Xbox guide, then my games and apps, then tap on see all. Here search for Project Motor Racing game, then press menu button. Now choose manage game and add-ons. After that, tap on save data and then click on reserved space. Finally, tap on clear reserved space and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Next solution is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Project Motor Racing game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, then select see all option. Here select Project Motor Racing game, then press menu button. After that, select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open Project Motor Racing official website and download the game and then check. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.